Imagine an auditor asks you to pull all approval tied to a specific order from last year. Purchase order, supplier confirmation, invoice, payment approval. How long will that take you? For a lot of manufacturing companies, that question creates a real anxiety because the documents are everywhere, in email box, shared drive, a physical filing cabinets. Every approval happens, but nobody knows exactly where it lies. That's not a problem of diligence, it's a problem of system. ECM, Epicor's document management solution, puts everything in one structured place. Document comes in, approval workflow tied automatically, and every action is time-stamped and tracked. When the auditor shows up, you have your answer in a few clicks, not a few hours. Beyond compliant, that's a day-to-day efficiency question. Less time searching, fewer errors from outdated document version, less delay in approval process. If you don't know exactly where your critical documents are right now, that's a signal to take a closer look.